How to fix Flutter Doctor Android Toolchain command line tool component is missing error. Hello everyone, and let's get started. When you encounter the Flutter Doctor Android Toolchain command line tools component is missing error, it means that the necessary command line tools for Android development are not installed or not properly configured. So to fix this issue, you need to update or set up the Android command line tools. For this, open your Android Studio. Now from the top you will see the option of tools. Tap on it. Then after you must see an option called as SDK Manager. Or under System Settings you will see Android SDK. Tap on SDK Tools and tick the option Android SDK Build Tools. This is for the command line tools. Make sure to search for the command line tools as well and tick it as well. After that, click on OK and then on Apply. After that, you can go back to your command prompt and run Flutter Doctor and it should be working. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.